There are a lot of things you can do with your old polo or t-shirt. So this is actually folded in two, and it will give you a 12. And when folded in four, will give you 6. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's properly folded. So I'm going to have 6 folded in 4. This is going to be for how wide your baby's leg is, of course. So I think 6 is just okay for me. And then I'll go ahead and get the length of the shirt. Mine is 11. So I'll go ahead and mark out 11 and cut out the fabric that I want, then put out the other side. So after putting out the other side, so I'm going to choose one of the sides, and then I cut by 2 to 1. I can actually choose any side, it doesn't matter. So after cutting it out, after marking it out, I meant to say, I'm going to cut it out. So that's 1. Okay, and that's 2. I'm going to mark it out and then try to make a clean curve as well as I can. I'm also going to straighten out the rough part at the end, the other end. You know, I actually have one opening, so I took out like half and then removed the other rough part of it. Afterwards, I tried to mark it out as clean as I could. I'm trying to save fabric here. And trying to make the best use of this, polo. This t-shirt is still very much alive, but I don't know. I just grew tired of it. And then I just wanted to make something for my baby. The weather here is usually very hot. Always very hot, so I wanted him to have something. And this is just so soft and just the right fabric for what I want it for. So afterwards, made a clean coat off of the curve, sewed the open end. Just want to smoothen it like I want the best out of this. Then after that, This is how it will go. Like this is one of the easiest way to make a shirt for your baby. One of the easiest way. There are so many ways to make a shirt for your baby. But this is like one of the easiest way, right? So you see? That's just a short knicker looking at you there. So I've sewn the open end. After sewing it, so I'm going to sew the crotch down to the legs. After doing that, I'm going to insert my elastic. See? I'm sure this is coming out nice. Try to make a marking for, where you insert your elastic. You don't want to sew everything up. And that's exactly what I did. So I sewed it up by 1 inch, leaving a space for my elastic. Let's see. So I'm done sewing, and it's time to insert the elastic. I used the little pin. My elastic was actually 8.5 inches. So I don't really want to bother myself sewing this up. Like, it's a casual shirt. This is not using it to go to church or any like important place. Just more like casual stuff. Just maybe go for a walk, stay at home. It's not really going anywhere with it. So I don't have to really bother myself about that. So I just used my zigzag scissors and, just cut it there. And it actually looked very stylish when I looked at it. So this is my shirt. Coming out nice. Right up there said in your head. Actually, the complete thing was supposed to be we had a butterfly in your head. So in your head, it still means something. Depends on what you think it means. Maybe you can just say, I'm the love in your head. I'm the friend in your head. I don't know. Whatever you want to put there, just put it. I'm the good memories in your head. Yes, good memories. Keep us moving. The dreams in your head. Okay, so I actually ended up sewing up the elastic, the open ends, and this is my beautiful shirt for my baby. 8.5 inches. Nice and simple. See, you can even use needle and thread to do this. It's not going to waste your time.